Hello, this is Benjamin Usselton from Group 12. Also rounding out Group 12 would be Drew Lutz and Cale Sandell. This is our project proposal presentation. We as a group have been contracted to design a small and creative set of instruments for maroon and gold. The instruments need to be built using a small budget, look pleasing, be creative, and fit into a 2x2 by 2 foot cube box. The requirements for these instruments is that we have one instrument from each group for percussion, string, and wind. All instruments must fit into a 2x2 by 2 foot cubed box. They must be aesthetically pleasing, creative, cost effective, no more than $15 per person per instrument. All materials must be given a monetary value no matter what the source, must document and demonstrate each individual instrument, and then create a track with all instruments combined. No more than 10 feet of pipe any diameter, no more than 6 foot of strings. We need to prove all instruments will fit into a box, providing a sketched drawing. All members must participate weekly to receive credit for the project, and they must be making small, cost-effective, creative instruments to adequately meet all of these requirements. The top design goal for us is to ensure that the instrument can perform the song in tune. The requirements of size and cost must be met, but the overall selling point of our instruments is definitely the musical playing capability. I will be covering the string instrument for the medium to low voicings of Ode to Joy, and I have decided to use the cigar box guitar. Here's my design sketch shown on slide 7. The physics of the design, I have the formulas shown here on slide 8 to show how I came up with my string length and frequency and all these things. The frequencies that I'll be covering will be 185 hertz to 293.66 hertz. They must meet all the design requirements again. Here on slide 10 will be my references for price. Show the materials that I will be using to create this instrument: cigar box, 1x2 board, eye bolts, guitar string, flat washers, wood nails, glue, wing nuts, bringing my total cost to $15. The tools that I own will be the electric drill, a bandsaw, wrenches, pliers, hacksaw, and a hammer. And here is the design matrix on slide 13 showing how we came up with a few different ideas for each instrument, and I decided to go with the cigar box guitar. Next, I'll be passing it over to Drew Lutz, who will be covering the wind instrument.